Hello everyone. Welcome back to another English speaking lesson. Today you'll learn a real-life English conversation that happens in a cafe. Listen carefully, repeat after the characters, and improve. You're spoken English naturally. Let's begin.
Wow, this cafe looks so beautiful.
I know. The atmosphere is really nice.
Shall we sit near the window?
Sure. I love that table.
The weather is perfect today.
Yes, it's a wonderful day for coffee.
Good afternoon. Welcome. Here are the menus.
Thank you.
Thanks.
What would you like to drink?
I think I'll have a hot cappuccino.
Sounds good. I'll order a caramel latte.
Would you like something to eat?
Yes. Maybe a chocolate cake.
Great idea. I'll order a grilled sandwich.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, please.
1 caramel latte, 1 cappuccino, 1 chocolate cake, and 1 grilled sandwich, please.
Perfect. I'll bring your order shortly.
So, how was your day?
It was very busy.
Really? What happened?
David, I had 3 meetings and a lot of work.
That sounds stressful.
It was. But now I'm relaxed.
I'm glad we decided to come here.
Me too. Spending time with you makes my day better.
Oh, that's so sweet.
You deserve it.
Food arrives. Here's your cappuccino, your sandwich, and chocolate cake. And your caramel latte.
Thank you.
Everything looks delicious. It smells amazing.
Wow, this cake is so soft.
My sandwich is really tasty.
Would you like to taste my cake?
Sure, you're right. It's delicious.
Try some more.
Only if you taste my sandwich.
Deal. I really enjoyed today's date.
So did I.
Thank you for bringing me here.
My pleasure.
We should come here again.
Definitely.
Shall we ask for the bill?
Yes.
Here's your bill.
Thank you.
Ready to go?
Yes. Let's go.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Repeat this conversation to improve your English. Don't forget to like, share, and